This herb is 1,000 times stronger than aloe vera. Look what he does. Against many things we can fight in life, but not against time. No matter how hard we fight, we cannot manage to stop the years. As we know, these bring along wrinkles, skin blemishes and many other problems. Just think about it, many women feel shivers. And is that, nobody likes to look old and worn. That is why today we will talk about the nettle, a very good plan to counteract this. In order to fight against time, large industries have designed a number of products. These serve to delay the appearance of wrinkles, remove stains, or treat any other dermatological problem. However, after buying it, many of its customers are dissatisfied with the results. And is that, advertising campaigns promise something very different to reality. For this reason, many are disappointed with the results. On the other hand, there are those who undergo surgery and operations in order to beautify their face. But not all are willing to pay the high sums of money they require. In addition, those who undergo these operations are at risk even to lose their lives. For this reason, the majority rejects this option as viable. However, when you know the plant of eternal youth, you will be enchanted with it. Once you know its effects and see the results, you will not want to stop using it anymore. If you still do not know what we're talking about, you're in luck. Then, we will explain in detail everything you can get with a simple plant. You will see that it not only serves to beautify your skin, but for many more things. Green nettle is a very useful plant to combat many diseases and health problems. It is good for increasing the production of breast milk and combating prostatic hypertrophy. It is also good for diseases related to excess uric acid such as kidney stones, rheumatism, arthritis, gout, arthritis, etc.